Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Which period now? Huh? Today which period?
Rishi.
Hindi period.
Hindi.
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 Yes.
Hindi.
Yeah.
Hindi.
Your friends are coming. 1 minute. How are you?
We are fine.
Fine.
We are fine. Thank you.
Yes. Good. No.
No,
Not fine.
no.
Huh? Not fine. What happened? Okay. Last class what we learned? Please. Last class what we learned? Say Rishi. Today Hindi period. Take your textbook. Please mute your mic. Take your textbook. Page number 2. Textbook. Like this text. Like this textbook. Take your textbook.
This book.
Are you seeing this book? This.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Page number 2. Page number 2. We are going to read. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Next one. See, touch your finger there. Where is A? A. Say Amma. Touch your finger there. A. Say Amma. No, you look here. Where is Anar? Anar is not here. Isabel, please mute your mic.
Ma'am, I cannot hear you.
Yes, now. Say Amma. Repeat. Please repeat. Say Amma. Say Am. Say Emily. Where is Emily? Picture. Touch there. Where is E? Touch there. Say Emily.
Say Emily.
Say Ik. Say Ik. Say Ullu. Say Un. Say Rishi. Once more. Say Amma. Are you talking there? Say Am. Say Emily. Say Ik. Say Ullu. Say Un. Say Rishi. 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 Next one. Manna. 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 Please unmute. Manna.
Yes, ma'am.
And Manna, please read. Page number 228. Manna. Only Manna will read. Other students, please listen. Manna, start. Very good. Aaron, please mute your mic. Aaron. Hanan, please mute your mic. Hanan. Irene Paul, please mute your mic. Yes. Irene, please mute your mic.
Rishi.
Yes.
Ready, ma'am.
Irene, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, Irene Paul, please read. Page number.
Amma.
Good. Very good.
Emily.
Good. Eek.
Ullu.
Next.
Rishi.
Very good. Good, Irene. Okay, good.
Thank you,
Evelyn. Yes, Evelyn. Evelyn Mendes. Mute. Evelyn, please. Please read, Evelyn. Yes, good. Next one. Yes. Next one. Yes, yes, Evelyn. Very good.
അതിനെപ്പറ്റി വല്ല സാധനങ്ങളുണ്ടാന്ന്
Are you? Who is talking? Manna. Manna, please. Evelyn, continue. Who say? Who? Re-say. Re-say. Rishi. Re-say Rishi. Next one, Agnes. Please take your textbook. Please read it. Agnes. Only Agnes will read. Agnes. Agnes, start. Agnes.
Yes.
Agnes, start. Please read. Agnes, not clear. Agnes, not clear. No.
Yes.
Yes, Agnes, start. Not getting.
Amma.
Yes. Agnes, stop. I will call later. Not clear. Isabel. Isabel, please unmute Isabel.
Ma'am.
Isabel, please read.
Amma. Anna.
Anar, where Isabel? Where is your textbook? Isabel, where is your textbook? Show me. Open your textbook. Look there. Anar is there? No. No. Yes, read.
A से अम्मा.
Yes. A से आम.
ई से इमली.
Very good.
ई से ईद.
Yes. U
ऊ
से.
से उल्लू.
Yes.
ऊ से
Un.
ऊन.
Ah,
री से ऋषि.
Ayan and Ian, please read. Take your textbook. Please read Ayan. Ayan, louder. Start. Ayan, yes. Start. Touch your finger there where you are reading. Yes.
अम्मा. अम्मा.
Yes. A say amma. Like that read. Elvin, please mute your mic. Say Yes. Ayan, continue. Next one.
ई इमली.
Yes. E say Imali. Next. E say ik.
ई से ईक.
Next.
उल्लू. उल्लू.
U say ullu. U say un.
ऊ से ऊन.
Next. Ri say.
ऋ से ऋषि.
Next. Good. Okay. Ayan, good. Adwell, please read.
Toilet.
Adwell, please read. Adwell. Yes. Continue. Adwell. Please read. Say.
आ से अम्मा. आ
Yes.
से आम.
Good.
आ से ई से इमली.
Very good.
ई से
Ig.
ईक.
Next.
ऊ से उल्लू.
Next.
ऊ से ऊन.
Yes.
ऋ से ऋषि.
Good, Adwell. Next class, I will call one by one. You should read properly. Clear? Okay. Today we are going to study next lecture. Re after. Next lecture क्या है? ये page number 9. A से एक means one. Ek means one. Ek, do, teen. Like that we are counting in Hindi. Ek means one. A say ek. Not egg. Egg not k. Ka. First ka. Ek. Ka. K. Okay. Egg. A say ek. Pedao. A say ek. Ek means one. A say ek. A say ek. In this picture, touch your finger there. A say ek. Where is A letter? Letter is there. A say ek. A say ek. A say ek. A say ek. Anna Rose, please mute. A say ek. Okay. A say ek. A say ek. Hanan, A से क्या है? Hanan, A से एक. Isabel, A से क्या है Isabel? A एक. Okay, next one. एल्विन बिनु ए से क्या है? एल्विन ए से क्या है? एल्विन
A से एक.
वेरी गुड. रिदिका ए से क्या है? रिदिका एक. वेरी गुड. अनंत पद्मनाभन ए से क्या है? ए से एक. गुड. ए से एक. Now look here. Are you seeing this board? ये क्या है? Are you seeing the board?
Yes.
Yes. ये क्या है? ये क्या है? ए से एक. ए से एक. One. एक means one. ए से एक. ए से एक. एक means one. Next one. Don't write now. How 2 steps to write the letter A? Write. First one. Are you seeing?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes. Wait. One. The super here.
Ma'am, right?
Wait. One. Don't write now. Don't write. Look here. See steps to write the letter. One straight line. इसके साथ down. One slanting line. Straight line. इसके पास one more line. That is A. That is A. Once more. Look here. Straight line. इसके साथ slanting line down. Straight line के साथ one straight line. That is A. Please take your textbook. Please take your textbook. Page number 9. Some dot is there. First you write in your textbook. Now please write in your textbook. Please join the dots. If you are writing direct in your notebook, you can't write properly A. That's why take your textbook, join the dots, practice 2-3 times. Page number 9. Not clear this one. When I am writing. Is Anna Rose, are you seeing this screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Screen, but not clear. Okay. Take your textbook.
Hello.
Take your textbook. Please. A से एक. A से एक. A. I will write here. I don't know, not clear. Maybe A. E first one. Slanting line. A. Okay, once more. First straight. First straight line. Then slanting line down. A. A से एक. A से एक. A straight. Straight line. Down standing. A से एक. After textbook, finish, take your notebook. Take your notebook. Write today's date and make point. First you do practice in your textbook. After that, take your notebook. Slowly write. Isabel, are you writing there? Huh? Yes, yes, yes. Anna Rose, are you writing?
Yes.
Okay, after that, take a textbook, write A. How to write? A. A से right. A से एक. A से एक. A से एक mean one. A से एक. A से एक. A से एक. A से एक. A से Anna Rose, are you writing there? Yes. Hiba Fatima, are you writing? Yes. Evelyn, textbook finish? Evelyn, where is your textbook? No, yes, slowly write. Take time. Hanan Mehrin. I can't see your face, Hanan. Hanan, where? Only, yes. Yes, Hanan. Continue. Okay. Karthik, are you writing where? Textbook or notebook, Karthik? Karthik? Notebook. Where is your textbook, Karthik? Karthik, where is your textbook? Okay, yes. Okay, very good. Okay, good. Continue.
Ma'am, I finished.
Who is that? If I finish. Adityan, where is your book? Adityan, please show me. Adityan, where is your book? Where? Yes. Okay, continue. Next one, Badra. Badra, are you playing there, Badra? What are you doing, Badra? Where? Badra? A से क्या है, Badra? एक. इसका अर्थ क्या है, Badra? एक means? Badra. एक mean? One. Aaron. A से क्या है, Aaron बोल? Aaron. A से क्या है, Aaron? Please. एक. री से क्या है, Aaron? री से क्या है? Very good. Jewel Jomi. Jewel. Jewel Jomi. A से क्या है? एक. Jewel. Jewel री से क्या है? E से Jewel. Where is Jewel? Not getting. Jewel. Yes. Jewel not clear. Isa Maria. Isa Maria, where is your notebook? Very good, Isa. Good. Continue, Isa. Joanna Rose. Where is your notebook, Joanna? Notebook or textbook? Joanna.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I can't finish.
Who is that?
Daksha.
Okay. Joanna, where is your textbook, Joanna? Joanna, look here. Joanna, please unmute. Joanna, that is not a textbook, Joanna. Joanna, like this book where? Joanna, where is your mother, Joanna? Call, please call. Like that textbook where this color picture is there now in the textbook. That is notebook. Joanna, where is your textbook? That is 2-line book. Not a 2-line book. 1-line book and Joanna. Joanna, where is your mother? Call. Madam, please. Joanna's mother, please listen. Joanna's mother.
Yes.
Joanna's mother. Where is textbook, Joanna's mother? Where is your textbook? Joanna's textbook where?
Bag. Bag.
Joanna, connection over. Joanna where? Not getting. Joanna, please write in 2-line book. Joanna is writing in 1-line book. Take a 2-line notebook. Okay. Continue. Elvin. Not getting. Rudraksh. Where is your textbook, Rudraksh? Textbook where? Yes, very good. Okay, good. 2-line book where, Rudraksh? Where is your 2-line book, Rudraksh? Not clear. Yes, good. Okay, continue. Okay. Diya Carmel, textbook. Where is your textbook, Diya? Diya Carmel, textbook. Diya Carmel. Connection no.
Yes, ma'am.
Diya, I can't see your face. Diya, okay, I will call later. Next, Sri Parvati. Where is your textbook, Sri Parvati? Textbook. Sri Parvati's textbook.
Finish, ma'am.
Yes, continue. Okay.
Finish, ma'am.
Some are writing in 1-line book. Don't write there.
Finish, ma'am.
Yes, Elvin, wait there. Take a 2-line book. Hindi and Malayalam.
Finish, ma'am.
2-line book. Elvin, wait there. Listen. Please take 2-line book. Clear? Okay. Will you write one more page next class? Yeah. In 2-line book. Some are using online now. Okay. Karthik, over. Okay. Elvin, yes, I saw. Good. Neva, very good. Neva, write in your 2-line book also. Neva. Hanan. Yes. Dia, Dia, okay now. Okay. Dia. Ananda Padmanabhan, very good.
And Hiba Fatima finished.
Hiba Fatima, finish. Textbook finish. Please write in your notebook also.
Okay, ma'am.
Say bye. Say bye.